I am going to Chicago right now. For the day, I'm going to Lexington, Kentucky to work a basketball game tomorrow. And on Sunday, actually. There's two games. One's a men's basketball game. The next one's a women's basketball game. That's on Sunday. Then I'll be flying home. So yeah, this is just the video going to Chicago though. I'm gonna try to see what I can find in here because it is December 9th. Should be some Christmas stuff. I don't know how much stuff. I mean, I've shown some of it before in the past. There's an ice skating rink. Let's see how much time I got. I have some time. Our flight's not supposed to board until like 1 o'clock probably, so we'll see what I can do. All the baggage areas, or not baggages, but the escalators, they're all closed, so you have to take the elevator up. So they do have these Christmas lights on trees. This is the main area in the airport. A big ornament there. Behind us is where they're they built a huge thing over there. I'm gonna try to go outside and show you the rink though. It's a big ornament there. It's kind of cool. This is what we're gonna go check out. They have this everywhere when you're driving into the airport, and I'll show you what that is. This is the Westin Hotel that's kind of attached to the airport for all practical purposes. And this is where they set up the ice skating rink. I think you can do this for free. That's what they always are telling people. I don't even know. But there's also this light Christmas tree thing, and that's the rink. Literally not very big. Go around in probably 10 seconds. But this is what they do here for Christmas stuff. Yeah, it says free skating. I don't know if it includes what is it, the skates. I'm gonna try to go in this security way over here because I saw something that said TSA pre, but I don't think they have TSA pre over here. Try this right here. I never go in this way. I didn't even know they had it over here, but you can see all the regular. Okay, that took a little longer than I would have thought. I would always suggest going to the north side if you have TSA pre, because that was a lot slower over here. There's some Christmas stuff. A little reindeer hanging out on the bench. It's pretty funny. Yeah, so let's check our departure here really quick. It's this B-28, Chicago 67 B-28. That's me. See Shake Shack up there to the top. And this is actually the terminal where up here there's a Voodoo Donut now. If you like Portland-inspired donuts. I don't know what this guy's doing. Okay, so I walked all around trying to find some more Christmas stuff. What's the next thing I can find? United's Customer Service Center has a Christmas tree. And they have some ornaments on it. Let's see what they got.
Thank you, sir.
Star up there. We also have some jutes down there. Yeah, guy up here. Not too much, but something. All right, I'm gonna get a boarding pass. Here's our plane. Old painting job. Hey, how you doing?
Good. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Going to Chicago. Hey, Mason. Hey, Cam. Hello. Day. It's the only window seat I could find when I got this ticket so last minute. You can definitely tell there's not as much leg room. The seat is like, I can't even put my arm out all the way. It's really close. But I got that window, and that's my view. This flight was really crowded. Wasn't many options. All right. Before I forget to do this, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, you'll see it watermarked all the time on this, but yeah, follow along. I do stories, I should start posting the archives of them up here, but yeah, so be sure to do that if you want to see more of my stuff in real time. Before we get off the plane here, let's go ahead and pull up FlightAware, take a look at our flight path. You can see some storms over there in Michigan again, in Ohio. It seems to be typical around this time of year, I guess. I don't know. But it's also interesting that here we are in Iowa, and we go through Wisconsin just a little bit. So we go way further north than we really need to, but that's the path. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed this one. That's how long it takes to get off the plane when you sit in the back. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a good one.
Bye.
Okay. Ooh, baby. Oh wow, this is right by security. All right. I anticipated it being busy. Now I gotta get on another flight. All right, so I'm going to my next flight. I forgot to say goodbye. I'm down here between the walkway area. If you like this video though, be sure to hit like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it in the future. And as always, take flight.